In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you are on Instagram, tap on plus icon and tap on Reel to start creating your Reel. Now you can tap there on record button to record some video using your camera, or you can tap on that gallery icon to add here some video from your gallery. I will select the second way. Here I got 4 seconds video of my kid. I tap add, and now in that place I see that 4 seconds of that space was already taken, and now I can again use my camera, or I can tap here again and add there some another video. I got 21-second video there. I can trim it in that way. I can change start time of that video, and after that hit add, and now there are 2 videos on that reel. So I combined these 2 videos. I can hit next and continue creating that reel as I normally do. I can add here some stickers, some voiceovers and all the other stuff, and once I finished with that reel I can tap share to share that reel on my Instagram account. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.